What's on your nose?
Look away, I'm hideous.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to week 5 of the High Yield Dividend Challenge giveaway. And there goes my phone if you just heard that. Damn it. It literally happens every time I start filming. What can I say? I'm a popular guy. Sorry if I haven't been around that much lately. Quite honestly, a lot of my friends that watch my YouTube channel have told me it's hard to kind of keep up with the amount of videos that I'm putting out, which the last few weeks has been like 3 to 4 a week. And basically they're telling me that, maybe you're putting out too much. So I've been kind of pulling back a little bit because I do want my videos to have a little bit of time to mature as far as being posted as a new video. Otherwise, I feel like they might just kind of get lost. So I have pulled back. That's basically where I've been. So I think what I'm going to start doing is do a video like every 3 days. And I have been thinking about this. I have mentioned the fact that I do trade. I have traded a lot. The last couple of years, I traded like every morning since owning restaurant, being in the restaurant industry. I had every morning off pretty much, so I used that time to learn how to trade. I spent about 4 hours a day for 2 years straight studying my ass off. So I have a system that works really well, and as I've said before, I will never ever sell a course on on how to trade, or sign up and I'll show you my portfolio. Like I hate those people. I'm sorry to say I hate those people, but I'm not here to sell anything. I mean, maybe if I put out a really cool hat or someday or something, you can buy my merchandise, but otherwise I want to give you as much information that I have for free. Oh, and a quick shout out to Theo Carlson. He asked if I had a bruised septum or black eye. In the last video, I just kind of had my lighting done differently. Usually I film in my office, but sometimes I like to get out of my office because I feel like I'm trapped here sometimes. So I filmed down the hall in my house, and the lighting made it look like I had a black eye, which I don't. But now I have, this little guy. So, yeah. But anyway, thank you, Theo, for your concern. I wanted to make a comment that maybe my fiance beat me or something. She's keeping me in line, but that wasn't the case. It was just terrible lighting. So you might be wondering what the heck is going on with my face. Well, if you've noticed in all my other videos, I have a mark on my nose. That is from a sunburn. Years ago, like 20 years ago, I went to a motorcycle race and I didn't have a hat. There was no sun coverage, and I got sunburned real badly. So that mark is a sunburn, so it's potentially dangerous. So I had it removed, and now they're doing a biopsy on it. Everything should be fine, though. I mean, what's the worst that could happen, right? Just kidding. But anyway, back to the giveaway. And if you're new to my channel or my High Yield Dividend Challenge giveaway, basically what I do every week is I show everyone how easy it is to start investing. I use $10 a week as an example by putting $10 into my Webull account and buying a new position if I can afford it. And then I basically ask a simple question that's related to investing usually. And if your answer to this question is selected, then you win $10. And hopefully this will help you either start investing or add to a portfolio that you already have. But I do this every week, and I'll be doing it for a while. I'm not sure exactly. I might only do it for another month or two. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, it's a lot of fun, and I love giving back. So on to the portfolio. As far as my weekly challenge portfolio, I added a small position. Well, let's just take a look. All right, so if we take a look at my Webull account here, you can see that Annaly Capital, NLY. I talked about them before. They're taxed as a REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust. That's why they pay out such a fat dividend, because of the tax structure of REITs. That's why I love them so much. But not only do they deal in real estate, they also provide capital for like middle-sized companies, and they've been around since '96, and they pay a fat dividend. Right now, it's at about 10%. So anyway, I added 1 share of NLY. They had a slight pullback the other day, so I just added a share because it's cheap. It's like $8.64 was the last price. So I just averaged down a bit. So if we look at my account details right now, I've got a cash balance of $4.74 left over to invest with, and I've got $10 coming in. That's for next week. It takes about 5 days, so I like to put my funds in about a week prior. Anyway, I've gotten 22 cents in dividends so far. That's pretty awesome considering this is only the 5th week, I believe. So, and half of my portfolio pays quarterly. The other is monthly, so that number is going to start to go up pretty significantly. So again, I've talked about Webull. This is the brokerage that I am using right now to do this high yield dividend challenge. Can't recommend them enough. They're fantastic. Doing all the executions on the phone is really easy. In fact, I pull this portfolio up on my computer because it's easier to show you guys, but I've actually never used it as far as buying or selling any positions. I just do everything on the phone. It's so easy. If you're interested, look down in the links below. And right now, they're always changing it. I'm not sure what it is right now, but if you use my link and you fund it with $100 or more, you'll get 1 to 2 stocks. Last time I looked, I thought it was 2. It's been as high as 4 stocks before. It's always changing, but worst case scenario, you'll get at least 1 free stock. Okay, now to the fun stuff, the giveaway. So last week I asked you guys what would be the best use for any stimulus check or cash windfall. Granted that you already have enough money to eat, pay rent, things like that. And pretty much all of you got it, right on the money. So the reason I'm asking you this is I'm just trying to get everyone to think about money a little differently. It's always so much more fun once you get some money to go out and go shopping, buy some stuff that you would really like. But at the end of the day, it's really nice being financially independent and not having to worry about bills. Best way to do that is to pay off any high debt, any high APR debt specifically. So on to the random comment generator. I've got 25 comments in here, and let's see who won. Larissa Ramos. Ramos. I hope I am not butchering your name. The best way is to pay off the debt immediately. I mean, pretty much in a nutshell, that's the smartest thing you can do with money is pay off any debt. Like I said before, as long as your debt, the rate that you're paying on your debt isn't lower than what you can get back in the market. Meaning, if you're paying 3% and you can get 8% back from the market, you'd be better off keeping that debt and putting it in the market. That's a 5% difference on your money. Does that make sense? So congratulations, Larissa. I hope you can use this money to invest with, or maybe put it towards paying off any debt you have. In the comments, send me your email, or in the description of this video, I have my email that you can just send it to me directly if you don't want to put it in the comments for whatever reason, and I will send you a link via Venmo, unless you prefer PayPal. If you do, just let me know in your email or in the comment. So for the next giveaway, which, by the way, the cutoff for the next giveaway will be Friday. What's the date on that? Friday the 8th. No. We're not going back in time. I'm sorry, today's already the 10th. Things that you don't think about when you're retired. A lot of times you don't know what day it is. You don't know what the date is. It's very liberating, but very weird. So the cutoff will be Friday the 15th, and I will do the announcement of the winner on Saturday the 16th, the next day. As far as how to enter this contest, in the last video that I did, basically on how to grow your investments tax-free, what would be the best vehicle or tool that I mentioned in this video where you don't have to pay taxes at the end of the term? So just let me know in the comments what it is, and you may be picked to be the winner. So anyway, like I said, I will see you guys in a few days. Should be Wednesday on my next video. Hopefully I'll have some good information on that. But please like, share, subscribe if you're finding any value in this. And that's about all I have to say. Hope you guys are enjoying springtime finally. And there goes my phone once again. I need to learn to turn that thing off when I'm filming. I'll probably never learn though. But anyway, I'll see you guys later. Love you all.